welcome back to another video and welcome to part 2 of our Val Thorens ski trip. Now so far in part 1 you've seen sort of textbook elements of a normal ski trip. You saw the road trip up here from the Eurotunnel to all the way through France up to the mountains. You've seen some skiing, you've seen a few different types of weather, you've seen the sort of mountain food you eat when you go skiing. But what we're going to do in this video is a little bit different, and we have found something that we've done before, not once, not twice. Now if you don't know what that is already by previous videos, it's paragliding, but with a twist, because where we've done paragliding before, we've done it sort of like on the edge of a mountain in the summer sort of seasons, just sort of running off and then like off into the wind. We've never done it in snow-capped mountains, but not just that, with our skis on. I think we're actually going to be skiing down to the point where we sort of fly off and then landing the same way. But before we do that, we've got a little bit of skiing to do, and also just check out this view. That's Val Thorens all the way down there, and just mountains for days. Stretch and now flat out. Yeah. Okay. Good. Cool. Let's do it. Keep skiing. Just keep skiing. Just keep skiing. Oh. Got one ski. In a completely different way. Oh my god. Woo. Could be interesting, coming into landing with one ski on. Yeah! That was awesome! Yeah! Even with only one ski! Wow! Unreal! Right, so another paragliding session done, third one for us. This one on snow. How did you find it?
It was really weird, like trying to take off. It was so difficult trying to take off. And
yeah, you're telling me I lost my ski.
No, I've got it all on camera though, so you can watch it back. It was not pretty. I could hear you when you took off. You're like, I've only got one ski.
But as for now, I'm going to head down the mountain and then back up to go to apre ski, which is at a place called Folie. There's just music, a few drinks, a lot of people like dancing on tables, that sort of thing. So let's head to that, shall we?
Yeah.
To Folie Douce. Another Folie Douce over. Now ski back down to the resort. And that is the end of another great skiing day.
Glorious skiing day.
Omelette de Saunders.
Yes.
Who wants the first one?
Me. Thank you.
Right, so it's our final day in Val Thorens. Gonna go out and get some skiing in now. Last time we get to see the mountains, last time we get to ski, last time we get to see this view. So we better make the most of it, shall we?
Woo, let's go.
Yeah. Do it. Would you look at that view? Windy up the top.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Wow, look at that view.
Oh, yeah.
I decided to take it upon ourselves to try and get back to resort from the side of the mountain that we were on. It's not gone to plan. We've not taken probably the best route, and now we're literally on our own in the middle of a slope with no one else around. It's getting dangerously close to the time where the lift's closed, and we're not even sure if this is going to take us to the right way so we can get a lift back to Val Thorens. Just to top things off as well, the clouds coming in, the sunlight's going by the minute, and you cannot see any contours on the snow. It all looks white, so if there's bumps or ice you just can't see it. Oh, here goes up. That's the same button lift we've just come up. This definitely is not the right way. Oh. Okay, so a little update. We didn't make it to the lift. We got, I don't know how to even explain it. A lot of stuff basically just went wrong, didn't it?
Nothing went in our favour.
And we missed the lift by 3 minutes. The lift that was going to take us back to the top to ski back down to resort. So now we're waiting for a bus to get back to Val Thorens. Right, so we made it back eventually after a pretty eventful last day skiing, but we made it back nonetheless. Now all that's left to do is just get our bits together, pack, get ready for an early start tomorrow to drive back to the Eurotunnel, cross over back into England. But one last thing to do tonight is going to get the whole squad back together and have one last mountain meal in a restaurant nearby.
Merci, au revoir, bonne soirée.
That was très bien, but I am absolutely stuffed.
Oh my god, it was so good. So much cheese. I do not need to eat cheese for
Four. Minus one. Great
maths.
Night, guys.
Bye.
See you tomorrow. Right, lads, should we drive home back to the Eurotunnel? Let's do it. What a week! And we are back, about to get on the Eurotunnel shuttle. Right, and we are back on Eurotunnel Le Chateau, heading back to the UK and ending the trip and the video in exactly the same place that we started it. We've had an amazing week skiing and doing all sorts in Val Thorens, and I guess that all that leads me to say now is a huge thank you to Eurotunnel Le Chateau for sponsoring these 2 videos and allowing them to happen and allowing us as a group of mates to be able to go to Val Thorens, ski, have an excellent week and make these videos. Has everybody had a decent week?
The most beautiful time ever. They loved it, I did.
It's Welsh. Robbie, I know you had a particularly good time.
Oh, it was great. I found myself.
Special mention for Mikey, considering you had never skied before this trip, you absolutely nailed it. And Samira, you have a good time?
Yeah, it was amazing. Absolutely loved it.
And that's where I'm going to end this video. As always, if you did enjoy this video or the last video, don't forget to drop it a like. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about the trip, about Eurotunnel, about Val Thorens, about skiing. Whatever you want, whatever your question is, I'll try and answer it in the comments below. Subscribe if you're new, and other than that, I will see you on the next video. It's goodbye from these guys.
Au revoir.
And goodbye from me. See ya.